Today we're at Ride Park riding the GasGas E12 electric mini bike. Let me tell you about some of the features. The front suspension has 100mm travel. The rear suspension is a gas shock with adjustment. It has a chrome rally frame with front and rear disc brakes. The battery is a 48-volt lithium battery. When the battery is fully charged, you get 2 hours of riding. The maximum speed on the E12 is 52 kilometers an hour. One of the good and cool features on the mini bike is that it comes with an app. With the app, you can control maximum speed, maximum power, and throttle response. It also has a button that reduces the engine by 50%. And if you get in trouble, your parents can stop the bike with the app. My thoughts were that it was sort of scary, but then I got the hang of it. When I went around the corners, the bike was very smooth. When you put it on the 50%, I felt very confident, and then I told my dad to put it up because I felt like I could go up higher. Dad put it on 100% and then I went off. When Dad put on 100%, I felt like it was like a normal bike and I felt comfortable. When I went around the laps about 4 to 5 times, I got the hang of it and I knew where to turn. The suspension worked amazingly. When I was riding around the course, I couldn't feel one bump. I was the right height for this bike and I thought it was very comfortable. The seat was very soft. All of the other bikes would normally make lots of noise, but if you have a big backyard, it would be heaps of fun riding this around because the next door neighbours wouldn't hear you at all. I would ride around every day practicing, and me and my brother would probably start making a track outside. The most fun about the bike was going out there and trying my hardest to get up to 100%, and also how smooth the ride was and how fast it was. It was very fun. Well, that's it for the GasGas E12 review.